Every reliable hydraulic pump begins with precision components. Here are all the essential parts required to assemble an A11VO hydraulic piston pump. From the cylinder block and piston assembly to the valve plate, drive shaft, bearings, seals, and housing, every component is carefully selected and strictly inspected. We offer a complete range of A11VO spare parts in multiple models, with a large inventory available for fast delivery. Now, let's see the assembly process. Our experienced technicians assemble each component with precision, following strict manufacturing standards. Every step is performed with careful attention to alignment, clearance, and torque to ensure optimal performance and long service life. Professional assembly is the key to delivering reliable hydraulic power. Behind every high-quality pump is precision machining. Each component undergoes grinding, finishing, and dimensional inspection using advanced processing equipment. Tight machining tolerances and smooth surface finishes help reduce wear, improve efficiency, and ensure stable operation even under demanding working conditions. Quality starts with every detail. Here is the completed A11VO hydraulic pump. Every finished unit features a clear and professional nameplate for easy identification and traceability. Before leaving our factory, each pump is carefully inspected to ensure excellent appearance, accurate assembly, and dependable quality. Before shipment, every pump is thoroughly tested. Pressure, flow, and overall performance are verified to ensure each unit meets our quality standards and is ready for reliable operation in the field.